Hello, thank you for watching the video today. Today, we're looking at the present continuous. You can see we have a question here. What are you doing today? What are you doing today? So in this video lesson, you will learn how to ask the question and how to answer. First, do you remember some information about me? Do you know anything about me? Well, my name is Phil, and I'm a teacher. I teach English. I live in Bogota. It's a beautiful city. And I work at Externado University. I teach English at Externado University. So, 3 things about my life. I'm a teacher. I live in Bogota. And I work at Externado University. So these are things that are true always, every day about me. But what about today? What am I doing today? Well, first, I'm making a video for you. That's right. Also, I'm drinking some coffee. Delicious. And I'm wearing a tie. Do you like my tie? So what am I doing today? I'm making a video. I'm drinking coffee. And I'm wearing a tie. So notice here we have this information generally about me and information about me today. So this is the difference between the present simple, things that are always true, and the present continuous, things that are temporary, things that are happening at the moment. So notice here the difference between the present simple and the present continuous. So how do we form the present continuous? Do you remember this activity? This is an activity I'm doing today, something I'm doing at the moment. What's the activity? I am making a video. I am making a video. Very easy sentence. Look how we make it. Subject, I, am, the verb to be, verb with ing, making. And what am I making? I'm making a video. I am making a video. It's also very important to use the contraction with present continuous. So again, we have this activity. Now, I can say, I am making a video. It's correct, but to be more natural, it's better, I'm making a video. Again, I'm making a video. Very quick. I'm making a video. Very fast. Notice the apostrophe M here. So I'm making a video. We can also use these sentences according to the situation. So these two sentences are correct. If I make a video every day, then I can use present simple. I make a video every day. But to talk about now, at the moment, I'm making a video at the moment. So notice the difference, what's happening generally or every day, my routines, and the temporary activity, what I'm doing now. It's also very important to check the spelling for the verbs that use the ing. So most verbs, very, very easy. We just add ing. So here, work, working with ing. When a verb ends in E, for example here, we have the verb make. I'm making a video. Notice we take away the E and then we add the ing. So notice here, this is correct. Making, I'm making a video. But here we have the E. So this is wrong. No E in making. So take away the E if the verb ends in E. And if a verb ends in consonant, vowel, consonant, then we need to double the final consonant and add ing. So here we have the verb sit, just 3 letters, S-I-T. So to make the ing form, this is wrong here because there's only one T. We need to double the T. Sitting here. Sitting. Okay, so with this information, please try the next exercises.